Hello viewers, in the previous video we have taught the child letters with A and T. A with A we had joined T and made some letters like bat, cat, hat, rat, and with A letter A we have joined with N. A and an, and with that we have made new words. We have learned fan, pan, ran, van. Today with A we are going to join M, letter M, am, am. While joining am and some other letters, let us see what is going to come. DAM, dam. JAM, jam. RAM, ram. HAM, ham. Dam, jam, ram, ham. Now we'll see with A, P is attached. We have joined A, P. Now let us see what is the word that comes with AP. If you let us see, first one is CAP, cap. LAP, lap. MAP, map. TAP, tap. Cap, lap, map, tap. Dam, jam, ram, ham. Cap, lap, map, tap. In this all words, A is in the middle. Now let us show them. Let us write on the notebook. We are going to give here classwork. And this is for homework. First you write it with the pen so that the child will see from here and write. Say them to see from here. Look at the words and write and read. Look, read and then write. DAM, dam. JAM, jam. RAM, ram. HAM, ham. CAP, cap. LAP, lap. MAP, map. TAP, tap. Check all the work. Give them good star. Say them to do again homework after some later sometimes. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.